Sprint planning, setting up for success. Welcome back. In today's episode, we will take a closer look at sprint planning, the event that kicks off every sprint and sets the stage for success. Sprint planning is where the entire Scrum team comes together to decide what work will be done in the upcoming sprint. It's a collaborative process that ensures everyone is on the same page. Sprint planning focuses on three key questions. Why is the sprint valuable? The product owner proposes how the product would increase in value during the sprint, and the team defines the sprint goal. Number 2, what can be done this sprint? The developers work with the product owner to select items from the product backlog that can be completed within the sprint. They also refine these items as needed to ensure clarity. Number 3, how will the chosen work get done? The developers create a plan for turning the selected product backlog items into a usable increment. This plan is the sprint backlog. Sprint planning is time-boxed, meaning it has a maximum duration. For a 1-month sprint, it's usually limited to 8 hours. Shorter sprints have proportionally shorter planning sessions. By the end of a sprint planning, the team should have a clear sprint goal, a detailed sprint backlog, and a shared understanding of how they will achieve their objectives. In our next episode, we will explore the daily Scrum and how it helps the team stay aligned and focused. Don't miss it.